Namaskaraha. Welcome to another session on Learn and Speak Sanskrit Now and learn Sanskrit naturally in a free flowing manner without knowing the grammar. We will speak the Sanskrit sentences naturally with each. So let us start. Today we will be seeing some patterns of framing the basic sentences. So let us start. So first of all, we will see the basic sentence patterns. Basic sentence patterns. Number one, aham, aham des asmi. So, aham des asmi. That means I am des. So instead of this des, suppose we can put vidyarthi. Vidyarthi. Vidyarthi means student. So we can say aham vidyarthi asmi. Then we can say similarly aham sikhyakah asmi. So we can say aham sikhyakah asmi. Aham sikhyakah asmi. Sikhyakah asmi. In this way, we can put the object or here in this blank and we can frame a sentence. Now let's go to the uh, next pattern that we'll see. Pattern number two, say to say my name. So you can say mama nama des asti. So my name is des. So we can put, say suppose someone is Ramaha, Ramaha or Rama. So we can say mama nama Ramaha asti. Ramaha asti. Or mama nama Sita asti. So in this way, we can frame this type of sentences. Sentence pattern number two. And now let's go to see another pattern to describe the objects or to describe the persons nearby. We can say etat, etat des asti. So we can say etat pustakam asti. We can suppose we can say pustakam, pustakam. So we can say etat pustakam asti. Pustakam means book. So this is a book. We can say this is a book. We can translate it to etat pustakam asti. So similarly, we can say like esaha. Esaha balakah asti. Suppose this is a boy. To say this is a boy, we can say esaha, esaha, sorry, esaha, not this one, esaha balakah asti. Similarly, to describe this is a girl, we can say esa balika asti. So in this way, we can frame this type of sentences using this pattern. So now let us look at sentence pattern number 4 to describe the action that we are doing. To describe the action that we are doing, so we can say aham des karomi. Aham des karomi. Say aham karjam karomi. Aham karjam karjam karomi. Aham karjam karomi. Karjam karomi. Then aham patami. Aham aham patami. Aham patami. So we can further elaborate it or expand it to aham pustakam patami. Aham pustakam patami. Or aham gachami. Aham aham gachami. Aham gachami. So we can say aham vidyalayam gachami. So in this way, we can frame the simple sentences using these patterns. So I hope you have learned something new today. So do share your new learnings in the comment section, and I will uh, discuss and how we can expand this in a contextual, adding some context to our sentences in the next video. Till then, thank you. Namaskara.